Good morning, it's Monday, March the 15th, 2021. It's time for the local news for today. My name is Shanine Wilfrid. In the news, Social Pediatric Unit opened. Hinterland communities want to be better informed about COVID-19 vaccine. Ministry of Public Works want more branches in the district. And Surinamese businesses still have difficulties 1 year after arrival of COVID-19. Abused children, especially children who are victims of sexual abuse, can now go to the Academic Hospital Paramaribo for guidance. This will be done through the Social Pediatric Unit, which was opened last Friday. This unit shortens the investigation into child abuse. Various disciplines will be used to provide optimal care for victims. According to Laurindo Clove, who is a pediatrician in social pediatrics, over 400 children are treated for abuse every year. This could be sexual abuse or domestic violence. However, there appears to be many more cases that are not registered, and this must change. UNICEF representative Nicolas Pron indicates that children worldwide are increasingly exposed to violence. This also appears to be the case in Suriname. A UNICEF study in 2018 found that 80% of children between the ages of 2 and 14 years are exposed to violence.
Has confirmed these figures, and 80%, about 87% of caregivers of school-age children indicate that violence is actually used against children as a disciplinary measure. Another estimate states that about 5,000 children every year are experiencing violence with actual physical injuries. And more concerning, of course, and very sad, is that an estimated 8,000 children are experiencing sexual violence every year.
The pediatrics unit in the Asset Bay is operational since Friday. Gradually, work will be done on expansion with various services. One of these is a collaboration with a forensic investigation service so that certain cases can be resolved quickly. Communities in the interior want more information about the COVID-19 vaccine. The Minister of Health, Amar Ahmadine, and the team of the medical mission paid a working visit to the Upper Suriname area last week. It is important that society is also well informed about the vaccination campaign. According to Chief Albert Yeru of the village Pokigrong, society is well aware about the COVID-19 events in Suriname. The communities have not suffered much from measures taken by the government. The traditional authority also waits for the government to provide the local population with information about the vaccines to help fight the virus. The Minister of Public Works is becoming increasingly visible in society. According to Minister Riyad Nur Mohammed, the branches of the ministry will be opened in each district. This is necessary to facilitate infrastructure projects. Recently, the opening of the branch in the Para district has taken place. It is the first time that an office of the Ministry of Public Works is opened in this district. With this annex, the infrastructure of Para can be further developed. According to MP Patrick Kensenhuis, there should be more ministries represented to facilitate the provision of services. MP Ramon Kudemusu is very pleased with the opening of the office in Para. He too believes that a good infrastructure is necessary to further develop the area. With the construction of the new office, staff must also be deployed to be able to offer various services. According to Nur Mohammed, the residents of the district will be involved in the deployment of these offices. Surinamese companies are still struggling after a year of COVID-19 pandemic. New ways had to be created to sell their products. Many hospitality companies had to switch to takeout and delivery services, which resulted in less income. As a result, the companies could no longer pay their employees. In addition to being innovative, entrepreneurs were obliged to offer attractive prices. This, despite the unification of the exchange rate, has not made it easy to keep the prices low. The rise in fuel prices is also a challenge for entrepreneurs. If the COVID-19 pandemic continues any longer, it will be the end of most hospitality companies. Many companies were only able to accommodate a small part of the workforce in the workplace. The entrepreneurs have also cited more often that customers are now paying more attention to their money than ever. Many businesses have had to register for support from the COVID-19 fund for the past year to maintain their company. Especially for these entrepreneurs, it has been very difficult to accommodate society during the lockdown and with the various measures. And if the public doesn't use the services, the companies cannot survive. These were the local updates for today. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we will be back with more. Have a nice day and stay safe. Goodbye.